it's not too difficult. And then we have the engine soul, and for this one I don't have to check because we can see because it's transparent, there is no battery inside, so it's kind of safe to put this back. Hi guys, back again in my channel, and today I back again with one of the reboxing series, which is today I want to reboxing, put this engine Daishogun back into the box. And okay, without any further wait, let's see how we gonna put this inside the box. Okay, so first of all I gonna take a look what inside the box, and because it's just old Sentai series, the box should be in the molded form, but I kind of forget what this box looks like. Oh, okay, so the box looks like a little bit different this time because it doesn't have any mold, but it's just in the, like, we have the separator inside, but it doesn't have any molding. Okay, so first of all what we need to do is I want to take off the sword first. Okay, I think the sword itself cannot be folded or something, and I'm gonna take off, do the angatai of this engine Daishogun. Okay, first one is the first mecha. We need to put it back into the normal, so there is no engine soul. Okay, and then I think this one we should attach here, and then the head back become the engine. So this is how it looks like. And second mecha is we have the press button. Then okay, this is how the second one looks like. You need to fold like that. And third one is basically this has the same mechanism with the engine off, so it doesn't it's not too difficult. And then we have the engine soul, and for this one I don't have to check because we can see because it's transparent, there is no battery inside, so it's kind of safe to put this back. Okay, so now the challenge is how to put this back into the box. Okay, so I think this is a pretty obvious how we're gonna put this back. It's just like this because everything is already have the place inside. So I'm gonna take off this horn because I'm afraid that it's going to broken over the time, and then I'm gonna put over here, and then this over here. And for the sword, we don't have any specific place for this sword. I don't think that it can be folded, but maybe I'm gonna put in here so it has the gap, just okay to put the sword positions. Okay, so I think this how I gonna store this away, and I put the silica gel and then also I'm gonna put the manual, and then I'm gonna cover this back, and I'm gonna put inside the box, and then let's see whether it's fit or not. Okay, so basically that's how to unbox the engine Daishogun, and I hope you like this video. And if you like this reboxing series, please tell me in the comment sections, and then I'm gonna make another video about this. So see you guys in the next reboxing series. Bye bye.